Hey guys, welcome to the SalvageBoiz channel. Today is part 2 to the boat rebuild, redo. This is where we left off a couple hours later. We left off on the other video washing this thing, so it's still here the way it was, everything torn apart. So I'm getting ready to pull all the panels off and get her stripped down and cleaned off, so stay tuned. Well, I got these panels off. These are pretty easy. These are removed, and then these had two little screws that just go up. That one's off, this little guy. So now continue on these front ones. I don't see anywhere to unscrew these, so it's gonna be fun, but hopefully they just lift off like the other ones. So let's get to unbolting. Actually, these are pretty easy, you just unbolt them there. So fun. Let's give her a try. Alright, boys and girls, here's all the upholstery, all the panels, everything up here. Got everything out of the boat. Let me get in there. It was not very fun, I'll tell you that. It was time consuming, and you need really extra long arms to get to the bolts behind there. Some of them, like, perfect, came out, no issues. Some of it, man, I don't know. But let me climb up there and show you what I meant. So as you can see, I got everything out. Still got some water in there, but all these panels are off. All the panels in the front are off. So everything had to be screwed down from the back. Man, it was not fun, but we got everything off, or I got everything off. Now I got some purple power. I'm just gonna spray this whole boat down and let it soak up, and then pressure wash this whole thing inside and out and make it look good as new. Look at that, here's the engine. So I'm not setting up the time lapse because every time I wash it, the camera gets dirty and you can't really see anything in there. So once it's all done, I'll kind of let you guys see this. I have some water in there still there, so stay tuned when it's going to be done. All got her backed into the shop, so in case it rains or anything, it won't get dirty anymore after I washed it. So now I'm gonna buff the outside. Probably I can buff outside, but interior, change out all the speakers while all the panels are off. That's the plan. Go through go through the boat, make sure everything works. Throw the battery on charge, see if the engine fires up, everything good, and I don't know, and then get the upholstery done. So, but that's it, you guys. It's back in the shop. I'm exhausted. Gotta carry all those upholstery pieces, the tower, everything back into my shop, and get all this stuff out of my bed. So let me show you guys. Look at all that good stuff right there. All kinds of boat stuff. Gotta wash everything. A cooler. That's my little toolbox in there. But yeah, it's a lot of work, but I'm really glad this thing's washed out. It's not nasty anymore, and I can see how much upholstery things I need to get done. And it's in the shop. I don't have to worry about it anymore. I took the tower off so I can get it into this door, because this door has the lift, and if I have to put anything on the lift, I don't know how much or how long this is gonna stand here, so it's kind of nice. But yeah, got it in the shop. Here's the view for you guys. Got all the panels removed. Everything's nice and clean. Couple more spots probably needs to be soaked, or maybe that's how it is, but got everything cleaned out for the most part, and she's looking pretty. It is a lot nicer to do this when you have your panels off. Oh man, almost fell off this little ladder. Already 45 times filming this stuff. But yeah, right there, you guys. Dang. Whew, just unloaded all the upholstery. Look at that. Man. I looked and I was like, you know, from the just looking at the boat, I'm like, I'm gonna do the upholstery myself. Well, looking at all the designs now and all that good stuff, I don't know if I want to do it. So today's Saturday, so nobody's open, or tomorrow nobody's open, so I'm gonna go probably Monday or Tuesday, load all this up and take it to a upholstery shop and see how much or what maybe they can do the 2 captain's chairs, because it's so doesn't look very fun over here. And then maybe I can do the straight ones. I don't know how much it's gonna cost. You know, it's just, if the material is gonna be, you know, pretty close to whatever, well, how am I trying to say this? If, let's say the material is gonna be like $1,500 and I do it, takes me forever and might not look as good. What if I go there and they say like $2,000, $2,500, they'll redo it? So $1,000, you know, extra for labor, maybe, I don't know. I have no clue what they cost, so we'll see. But I took everything off. I think when people take the boat in and the upholstery shop has to take everything apart, that's pretty time consuming. But since everything's off, they can literally just, you know, razor everything off, cut it out, and then stitch it back together. I took all the pictures just in case, make sure I have everything. It's one more panel I have to take off behind the gas, so that's gonna be fun. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, so I'm gonna get to work. Hey guys, what the heck? Oh, cows. Hey, stop it. Okay. These speakers are shot. I mean, you can see these are just, but I thought maybe those would be good. I mean, they're like a kicker. I don't know. We have wet sound on the other boat, so look at this. That's the speaker. Man, let me get the light in there. Look at that. These are shot. So I don't even know what kind of brand these are. Some kind of marine brand. But let me know in the comments if you guys could. Should I go with wet sound speakers and tower speakers, or is there some other company that's really nice, compares in quality and performance to wet sound, but doesn't cost an arm and a leg? So, but yeah, just wanted to give an update on the speakers. They're not in good condition. Hey, before I end this video, I want to give you guys a good walk around the boat and tell you what cleaned off, what didn't. So the back right here pretty much cleaned off good. The engine didn't even clean it, but the only thing that didn't really clean off, that's just dirt down there, it just needs to be wiped down. But just like little lines right there, like this stuff, I don't know, I just used purple power. And then this, I don't know what this stuff is, but I guess maybe another wash, another soak, but that's it. Look at this. mean, not too bad. So, one more question. Like, I want to put some speakers in here and all that good stuff. I think it has 4 speakers, and I want to put 4 tower speakers on here. But I also want to put a sub in here. So, I don't know. The other one we have in the front, and it sounds really nice. But on this one, you can't really put it in the front. I was thinking, I don't really want to put it down into this thing, whatever this is, because it gets wet in there. Or if it did get wet. But what would you guys think? Where should we put it? I think maybe in one of these cubbies in here, where the shut off is, so make it sound nice, or maybe here in the middle. I just don't know. And just shoot me a comment down below, where would it sound the best. I don't want it to sound like somewhere on one side. I want it to like kind of shake the boat, so you feel the bass in the whole boat. So let me know what you guys think. But thanks for watching. This is you know, quick little video for you, quick little update, but it looks already so much better. And oh, one more thing, if anybody knows where to get these guys right here, because you can't see nothing out of them, or how I can find those little lenses. But that's it. Comment down below, help us out if you have the information. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal, we don't have to tell you. But comment down below what we could do, should do, shouldn't do to the boat. This is kind of new, it's not like a car, and this is like a full, almost not like a restoration, but somewhat of a restoration for the boat. And a lot of learning. I'm learning a lot of things on this boat. And if you guys have any info, comment down below. Really appreciate that. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.